This is presented by HBase Connect, Japanese freight forwarder in Japan.
This time, I will be discussing the tariff shock and its biggest winner, Mexico. A highly interesting discussion took place at the Houston International Maritime Conference, HIMC 25, in early November 2025, concerning the impact of tariffs and how US tariff policy is fundamentally changing global supply chains. I will focus on the key takeaways from this latest report, dividing the discussion into 3 points: the tariff impact, the rise of Mexico, and the experts' warning. First, let's look at the tariff impact. At the conference, the Vice President of the National Retail Federation, NRF, presented the basic yet heavy fact that tariffs are taxes paid by American importers. This is hitting companies like a body blow, and reports from the field show that tariff information is changing constantly, making it impossible for management to keep up with reporting. Furthermore, a major furniture manufacturer anticipates over $400 million in additional costs in the US market alone this year, a level that surpasses what can be managed through corporate efforts. One might think that moving production facilities would solve the problem, but the previous trend of moving from China to Southeast Asian countries like Thailand or Cambodia is, according to experts, no longer a safe haven, as new tariff risks are emerging for Southeast Asian products as well. The US government is now promoting manufacturing in the North American region using the USMCA, United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement. This brings us to the second point, the rise of Mexico. At the conference, all panelists unanimously stated that Mexico is the strongest winner of nearshoring. In fact, a striking phenomenon is occurring. Chinese manufacturers themselves are flocking to build factories in Mexico to maintain access to the US market. One expert even described the momentum of Mexico's industrial growth as like a weed. Tangible moves are active. Kuehne+Nagel, the world's largest logistics company, has significantly expanded its border logistics hub in El Paso, Texas, with its previous facility having filled up in just 1 year, indicating the sheer volume of goods moving. Furthermore, the Indian auto parts giant Motherson Group announced a $50 million investment in a Mexican plant to strengthen supply for Audi, showing active manufacturing investment. Thanks to its geographical proximity and the benefits of USMCA, Mexico is now becoming the hub of cross-border supply chains. Finally, the third point, which is a somewhat alarming topic, is the experts' warning. Experts caution that businesses should not be complacent about this shift to Mexico. The U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, is evolving, enhancing its audits and trade compliance reviews using AI. As a result, mistakes previously overlooked are now being pinpointed by AI. And even more concerning is the visualization of enforcement, where there is a move to publicly announce the names of companies found in violation. Experts warn that it is now important for companies to keep their names out of the newspapers. Companies relying on overseas suppliers, especially those using DDP, delivered duty-paid contracts, must be extremely cautious. They warn that inaccurate data could lead to severe legal risks. In summary, the tariff policy is fundamentally changing supply chains, resulting in Mexico becoming the world's factory. However, a new risk in the form of AI-driven surveillance also lurks there. With opportunity and risk running side by side, 2 keywords will be vital for future logistics strategies: the utilization of Mexico and ironclad compliance. That's all for today. Thank you.